Billy Bridger? Says on my pad here, criminal use of explosives, assault, attempted armed robbery, arson, attempted armed robbery. Did you try and rob the same bank 3 times?
No.
Oh, yes, you did. Because you're Billy Bridger. You are the son of big, bad, horrible Arthur Bridger. I'm Arthur fucking Bridger. Give me the fucking money. Now that's your dad, isn't it? So how comes he didn't get sent down with you then?
Because I did all them jobs on your own.
Oh, yeah. I've got a little deal for you. I'm putting together a unit. You're gonna fucking love it. It's right up your street, your sort of thing. And it's got to be better than being in there.
I'll be fine. What sort of unit?
Tell me, Bridger, do you like the seaside?
Do you like the fucking seaside?
Teams of 2, move!
I'm sick. I'm chucking me guts up over here.
Oh.
And you're just strolling off.
Oh, Bridger, liven yourself up, come on. There's a lovely little ice cream shop down there and I'm treating you to a cornet.
Give me a sec, will ya? I can barely move without spilling over.
What do you want me to do? Tuck you in and get you your teddy? Now come on, get moving. You got your explosives at the ready?
Yeah, and I've improved them with my own special recipe.
Oh, I see. You two, you know what to do.
Careful with this one, Mason.
Get your leg over and pull yourself up. That's a Stuka incoming.
Damn, the planes were meant to blow up.
Yeah, that's them all right. Right, watch your head here. Last thing I need is you bleeding all over the place.
Have you been here before? Do you know where we're going?
Oh yeah, I come here all the time. I bring the missus along sometimes.
So that's a no then, is it? You don't know where we're going?
Listen, this job requires a certain amount of think on your feet. Do you understand?
Right. Yeah. Great.
Right then. Now get on them binoculars and tell me what you see.
Got some jerrys over here. See some barrels over there.
You know I wouldn't try using them for cover. You never know what's inside.
Maybe an airstrip off in the distance.
The hangar there is most likely secured. So once you're down there, pull your finger out your arse and find a way inside.
Looks like lots of rubbish. Maybe an alarm.
Yeah, probably a radio too. Now it's going to be best to watch out for both because we don't need more enemies showing up. Are you sure about these bombs of yours?
These safe pack of specials? They'll blow this place to pieces, mate. Don't you worry. What if I get caught, though? You're just gonna piss off and leave me, yeah? Get all the glory yourself?
Glory? There ain't no fucking glory, son. Now listen to me, carefully. I'm gonna put my bombs on those planes over there, and you are gonna put yours on them now.
Yeah, all right.
Do not get caught. I'll be waiting for you at the meeting point.
I'm on it.
No time to waste, son. Down you go.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Easy, easy. You horrible bastard, Mason. Fuck this for a game of soldiers. That will do nicely. Was ist? Jetzt kommen wir!
Drüben war irgendwas.
What? Shit! Suppose knocking's out of the question. Come here, that's all of it.
Ausschwärmen und suchen! Den geht jetzt bestimmt der Arsch auf Grundeis.
Hello, sweetheart. That ought to do it. Okay. That actually went really well.
Sie sind hier!
Your bombs almost killed me.
Yeah, that's because my bombs went off. What about yours?
Mine are going to go up any second. Which is...
Jesus Christ, Bridget, did you plant your bombs or not?
Wait for it.
I'm telling you now, these special explosives of yours, they better be really fucking special.
Wait for it.
Bridget.
Any second now.
Oh, sweet Jesus. Sweet Jesus. Here we are, up Fritz's shitter, and I ask you to do one thing. One fucking thing that you tell me that you're a big expert.
Can I just say
No, you
it?
can't, because what the fucking hell was that?
I've occasionally had teething problems.
Teething problems? Don't make me fucking laugh. I could have done that with a fucking light breeze, a speck of rain, or a tiny teeny bird perched on that wing would have done more damage. Shoot that bleeding plate down. Keep your head down.
Jesus Christ, but you're the one who's got himself shot full of holes and shit.
Yeah, because of you, you tit.
Listen, I was sitting pretty in prison, mate. I was not bothering nobody and not getting shot at till you come along. This is your fucking fault.
Listen to me. You took the fucking deal. You want to start paying it off your end? Then then you need to fucking liven yourself up, boy. Do you understand me?
Halt! Wer seid ihr? Verfluchte Scheiße!
You're gonna have to do this next one on your own, all right? Just like you did all those banks, remember?
Yeah. Yeah. I'll get it done, no bother. You all right?
Yeah, of course I am. Listen, take this. This goes bang on everything.
Right. I'll get down there, finish it up. Get you some help. I'm holding you to that deal.
Yeah, just do the job and we'll see. I'm gonna have a little kip in this shithole. Don't stand there staring at me. Move. Go.
Better get a move on then. Let's get rid of all these lovely suppliers, shall we? That bunker might have what Mason needs. Need to shut down those radar stations.
Die Bäuerin zeigt einer Gruppe Schülern ihre Hunde und andere aus. Als die Jungs gehen wollen, ruft sie aus: Ach herrje, ihr habt ja meine Muschi noch gar nicht gesehen. Einer der Jungen antwortet: Das stimmt. Höher als bis zum Schwäche sind wir nicht gekommen. Gar nicht mal schlecht. Hey!
All right, let's go, Fritz.
Mason's not going to believe the blast from this beauty.
Ich habe einen verwundet! Franz ist auf unserer Seite! Habt die Mistkerle verloren! Das ist der verdammte Teil! Einer von uns ist am Boden! Achtet auf eure Sichtlinien! Nehmt Gas! Seid auf alles vorbereitet! Einer von denen ist hier!
Hello? Bravo Bridger to HMS Sussex, can you hear me? Hello? We'll need an evacuation, so, you know, just don't leave us behind.
Sure none of the supplies get put to use.
Scheiße! Im Inneren der Basis! Sturmangriff!
hell to do it.
Da müssen Sie nicht sehen!
Here?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, look. I got bandages and stuff.
That's good, son. That's really good.
I'm taking care of you, all right? It's all gonna be fine. Not even radioed a boat to come and get us.
You did what?
I radioed a boat.
No. No. Oh, Jesus Christ. You have just told every cunt of an Iron Cross exactly where we are. You're useless.
Fucking know that, don't I? I did roller specs for myself, all right?
Yeah, well, no surprise there.
I did it with me dad. He said I was useless just like you, and he fucked off and let me take the fall for it.
No, listen to me, you're not... You're not useless. Why do you think that I recruited you for in the first fucking place?
No idea.
Because you're a trier. Like them banks you tried to rob. Even though you fucked up, you kept trying.
And what good's that now? Then I come for a side, eh?
This is war, son. We fight one battle and then we fight another one until it's done. What you gonna do? Feel sorry for yourself and just fucking lay down and die? Or are you Billy Bridger, a trier?
Yeah, I suppose.
I can't hear you!
Yes! I am. Oh, Billy fucking Bridger!
Good boy, that's what I want to hear. Right, How about you join your old mate, and we go and kill a load of sauerkraut munchers?
Yes, please.
That infantry will be here any second. Now find some cover, and I'll support you from up here.